Hello everyone. Today's topic is your child tired after school? And what are the tips to get them energetic? So, first tip is give them juice or fruits that are homemade juice. Basically, give them homemade juice. You can give them pomegranate juice or orange juice and fruits. Give them citrus fruit. Citrus fruits are very important for to get them energetic. Give them banana. Banana is a good source of energy. You can give them nuts and seeds also. Almond is a good source of energy. You can give them egg and fish also because they are having vitamin B12 and vitamin B12 is very important to get them energetic. Ashwagandha. If they feel very tired and stressed, you can give them little bit ashwagandha. Sleep. And sleep is very important. After school, child get tired. Give them small time for a small nap, maybe for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And you, after sleeping, you feel like that your child's energy get back and he is again ready for play and study. So these are the tips to make your child energetic after school. Thank you.
Parents, if you find it helpful, please like and share it. Thanks for watching.